Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to make red velvet mamon. For the ingredients, we need 40 grams of sugar, 80 grams of cake flour, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 25 ml of fresh milk, 1.5 teaspoon of cocoa powder. I use Dutch process, 25 grams of melted butter. I'm using tulip red food coloring. You'll need about 5 to 6 drops and 5 egg yolks. To begin, we're just going to combine the cake flour, salt, and the cocoa powder. We're just going to quickly mix this and then set this aside. We will sift this later. Now, add about 1/4 teaspoon of the vinegar, and the other half we're going to use later. So set this aside for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, whisk the egg yolks, then add the sugar. Continue whisking this until it becomes light pale yellow, just like this. Then add the vanilla, the melted butter, the milk that we prepared before, and then the leftover vinegar. To this, we're going to sift in the dry ingredients. Then just mix everything together until it is well combined. Now we're going to put the gel food coloring. You can add as little or as much as you like. I added about 5 drops here, but in the end, I'll show you later. I add a little bit more because once we add the meringue in here, this will become lighter. Now for the meringue, we need 70 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 5 egg whites. So whisk the egg whites until it is frothy. Once it is frothy, we can add the cream of tartar. Continue whisking. At this point, we can gradually add the sugar. And once the sugar is all in, continue beating until we reach the stiff peak stage. And this is now the stiff peak stage. Now we're going to combine the meringue and the egg yolk mixture. Add the meringue into additions using the folding method. Now we can add the second part of the meringue. At this point, if you're not happy with the color of your red velvet cake, you can add a few more drops. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 170 degrees Celsius. And this is now ready. So I've got my mamon mold. If you don't have mamon mold, you can use cupcake pan lined with cupcake liners. So add about 3 tablespoons of the red velvet batter into each mamon mold, and then we're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 17 minutes, or until when you insert the skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. And this is what it looks like after baking. Now as you can see here, the mamon is puffy, but after about 5 minutes it will go down and flatten a little bit, just like this. 125 grams of cream cheese, 57 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of sifted icing sugar. So in a bowl, combine the room temperature butter and room temperature cream cheese. Make sure that these two ingredients is at room temperature so it's easier to mix and they will mix well together. Add the vanilla. Occasionally stop to scrape down the side of the bowl. Now we can add in half of the sifted icing sugar. Once the sugar is absorbed by the cream cheese mixture, add the last bit of the icing sugar. And this is now ready. To remove the mamon from the tin, just pull it away from the mamon mold. I didn't grease the mamon tin, by the way. And just like that. Now add the cream cheese on top of the mamon. This is about a tablespoon. Spread it evenly. Then continue doing this process until you finish up with all the mamon and the cream cheese icing. To finish this, I'm using sprinkles, but you can use cake crumbs or red velvet crumbs on the side, or leave it plain. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really good. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. Thank you. And just to show you what it looks like when you have a bite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.